Who Will Help Santa This Year? Written by Jerry Pallotta. Illustrated by David Biedrzycki. The job was too big. I couldn't make all the toys. I had a workshop and plenty of great tools. It was time to look for helpers. I tried dragons. Achoo! The toys got cooked. I tried fairies. What a mess! They left glitter everywhere. Bigfoot was a gigantic mistake. Only his big toe could fit through the door. I tried mummies. They were only good at wrapping. I had good luck with leprechauns, but they ran away to chase rainbows. I tried garden gnomes. Hey, kids like toys, not Brussels sprouts. I hired mermaids. The fishing was good. Oh no, the toys got soaked. Aliens only made spaceships and funny noises. Meep, meep, and they never heard of Christmas. I tried unicorns. Uh-oh, hooves. They couldn't hold the tools. Wizards wanted to help. Poof! They turned me into a frog. Elves came looking for work. They had great advice. Kiss him, kiss him, kiss him, they said. Poof! A Christmas kiss brought me back. Let's hire the elves, said Mrs. Claus. Elves were exactly what my workshop needed. They became happy, hard-working helpers. Now that the toys are made, we can all go on vacation. Cowabunga!